Jenny might just come to India. Wait, at least her merch will. So Miniso put up the story 2 hours ago where they are announcing that they might get the Jenny merch that has been going wild all over the world. It might come to India. And if you can see the collection, it's absolutely insane. It's sold out in China. It's sold out, I think, in Korea, wherever it's been put up. But Miniso has put out a form literally 2 hours ago. I found this out and I filled this form. If you're a diehard Blink, because India has so many fans, you need to fill this form because just look at the kind of haul and merch people are doing. It's sold out everywhere. K-pop merch is so difficult and so expensive to get in India that half of us don't even know how to get it to the country. And now that you have Miniso getting to us, especially which is a celebrity merch and that's an exclusive line, we can show that India is ready for just the artists to come too. For Blackpink and Blinks, this is literally the best news because imagine with the response they get, the more form we fill, the more Miniso realizes that India is a potential audience. Indians want Blinks in India are waiting for Blackpink to come and we are so many of us here. I would trade anything to get my hand on such merch and wear it to concerts because we have been wanting K-pop for so long to come to India. Let it be Blackpink, BTS, NHYPEN, whoever you name it from any generation. We are so ready. Like even on Lollapalooza, we saw how amazing Jackson Wang was. I just hope Miniso takes in enough forms, notices us and gives us good budgeted merch so that we all can have enough and it actually makes it happen. So if you don't already know, go to Miniso's page and fill the bio, make it very honest so that they understand the potential market that's here and we actually get K-pop merch in India.